friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Kids Leon. Today we will unbox a mixer grinder which we bought from Amazon. Link will be shared in the description box. And this company is Prestige. So now we will unbox it. And this is the mixer grinder. So these are 3 stainless steel jars. This is the biggest one, and this is the medium, and this is the smallest one, and there are 2 lids. So this is the main grinder. Inside the grinder there is 750-volt motor. This is the speed control knob. We can increase or decrease the speed. We can rotate it like this. 1, 2, 3, and this is the. And hope you all like the video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe to my channel Kids Leon. And bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.